Kohli has taken over the wicket-keeping role because the skipper is going to bowl. MS Dhoni is going to bowl. Now, he has never got a test wicket. He has bowled. He's got none for 62 overall.
He's got one-day wickets, though, Smithy. So it's not completely foreign to him.
Here we go. And he goes for 2 down to third man. And that is symbolic. And the reason why is that BJ Watling and Brendan McCullum have just surpassed the great man, Bradman. Have beaten Bradman and Fingleton, 1936, 1937, the highest 6-wicket partnership against all teams, for all teams. And any time you can beat the Don, you've achieved something really special. And look, they're only 3 runs away from surpassing the Jayawardeners.
And I think they deserve it too, to go past the Jayawardeners.
They do. You're dead right, they do. Beaten Bradman.
It doesn't happen often, does it?
That's worth plenty. That is something special. Unbelievably so. It's when Bradman said to his top order players and the middle order and the bowlers, you guys go out and I'll come in lower in the order.
Right on.
Australia were 2-0 down in the series, and after that performance went on to beat England 3-2. So Bradman was batting with Fingleton, and Virat Kohli has got the keeping gloves on. So he's bowled and kept. He bowled just before tea. And now he's wicket keeping, and Dhoni kept before tea, and now he's bowling.
And that brings up the
350 partnership, and New Zealand 444 for 5.
It's tough not to sit here and just be stunned with his performance. 350-run partnership. It's just been a tremendous effort from these two.
Now they've equalled. They have equalled the Jayawardeners at the top of the ladder. One more run, and it's the greatest, and it means a lot. It'll mean a lot for a long, long time between these two. These two forever. They'll when they meet up in years to come, they'll have a toast to what they have achieved.
Yeah, one day maybe they'll be fortunate to come back and have one of those reunions.
Yeah. Well, they should. They should indeed. Look proudly back out on the basin. 445 for 5.
Yeah, so one more run for the